So finally it's time to unbox all the mainline Ferraris released by Hot Wheels this year. And for that we have SF90, the recolor of SF90, and here are two Ferraris, F40 and 365 GTB Competizione. And so we'll start with the first one this year. This looks pretty good in the box and I was waiting to unbox this as soon as I could, and I got all these for MRV. Well, happy hunting and unboxing the first one. It's not that easy. Let's not keep the card. That hurts, but it's okay. And this is the first one in the collection, and if you can look closely, the detailings, they have a good design here, matched by the real car, and the color is pretty good. The color is fantastic. The rear detailings, there's F90 Ferrari written here, the Hot Wheels logo, the back, the detailings from the back itself has been quite good, detailings from the side as well. And I think there has been a bit of the color scratch. No, this is not. This is from the back of the card, but the rest of the detailing is quite good. Even the wheels look pretty good. As you can see, rolls pretty good. Parking it here. Moving on to the next release of this year, the F40, and the color looks great here too, the Ferrari logo, and I got this on MRP as well. So let's unbox this, and this time I've got the paper cutter because I don't want to annihilate the box this time as well. So doing it in the proper way. This felt much better. I should have done this earlier as well. So using this, let's remove the junk now. As you can see, the plastic inserts look quite good, and this was the first one with the plastic inserts. The SF90 did not have any plastic insert, they just had some detailings, but the top was good. It had a different texture. This F40 here has got good plastic inserts. The engine at the back looks pretty good too. Detailings at the back, they are pretty good, they're pretty sound. And if you look at the rims are different from this one. They have given their different wheels in this, but still it is the 5-spoke rim. The detailings at the bottom of the chassis, as you can see, F40 written here, looks pretty good, and the red color is obviously always good. Now moving on to the third one, the 365 Competizione. I love this the most. Obviously SF90 looks pretty good, but the sort of detailing that they have done on this one is pretty good. So let's unbox it. Well, I think I have to become a pro in unboxing, but the gloves are a bit problematic. Yes, we done it. We did it. So moving on with the opening of the box. The best car as per me in this section, in this year's segment, on all the main lines. Among all the main lines, this was the best. It had the plastic inserts too. If you can look closely here, the plastic inserts look pretty good. The detailings at the front are pretty nice. The bottoms match the color. They did not in the first two cars, but this time they managed to make it of the same color of the rest of the car. The Backs is not that well decorated, but rest everything is fine and it's pretty good. The color detailings, the schemes, and as you can see the wheel base is different this time as well, but they have used the same wheels as F40, just a different color. The rims look pretty good in both though, but the golden color matches quite well with the Ferrari logo in this one. And this also moves pretty freely. Well, I think I just like this a lot. I waited quite a lot to unbox these, and the detailings are pretty well. And obviously, the plastic insert headlamps, they're always better than not having any, or even though no matter how good the detailing is, but the plastic inserts always makes it better. Now it's time to open the recolor. Well, it's the same, but the recolors are a bit good, and this was a good recolor too. The F40 yellow F40 recolor is good as well, but I think I might not like this recolor that much as I like the other recolors. If we can just pop it out. Yes, we can. This was easier. So, and yes, the something that we can tell from this recolor is there have been a bit differences, and as we can see on both of these, the differences are in the color, but not just the color. The gray one is a bit sparkly, but the red one was only the glossy one, but the gray is shining. It's sort of shining as in another car, but that I am not aware. I can't remember, I can't recall it right now. But the rest of the detailings are quite same, but the little bit of sparkling or the glossy color of the gray, or you can say the dark gray Ferrari SF90s Stradale, the recolor looks pretty good. As you can see both of these side by side. Also the bottoms SF90 written here. And so here's the video, guys. These are like the first one to come this year, the second one, the third, and I think the best, the yellow one looks good too, and then the recolor. So here's the video, guys. Thank you, and follow for more.